Are you checking yourself out?
How long were you there for?
A long time. But long enough to see yourself checking yourself out. I'm actually really smart.
Bro, the most crazy shit just happened to me.
What?
I'm over here chilling by the crosswalk and shit. This nigga yells out the car, "Hey yo, if you let me suck your dick, I'll give you a bag of Cheetos." I'm like, nigga, what the fuck? This nigga's on some other shit, bro.
Where was this?
Nigga over there.
I'm Alex Ernst. Do you like free stuff? Yeah, you do? Good! Today I'm going to show you how to get snacks from a vending machine for free. Right here's the vending machine. I'm going to push up on this, cover a sensor with my right hand, and I'm going to press G, F, 11, 12, 14. Push for money return twice. 1, 2, and then I'm going to fucking... Oh my God!
Make it right, Natalie. Make it right.
You're right?
Yeah. Ask these guys with the black and white cars.
Do you guys have any drugs on you?
Oh, back up, baby, back up. We got some drugs.
We got some drugs. Back up.
Are you fucking crazy? Zane, I can't believe you said that to the crowd. I can't believe
You get arrested for that shit. Why? You get arrested for that shit.
Why are you telling me you have two fucking personalities? Zane goes, "You guys have any drugs?" And then he turns to me and goes, "You know you can get arrested for that shit." You guys want to be in my vlog?
Someone put this on my car and I want to honor their wish. They said, "Hi David and friends, we love you so much. Please put me in your vlog." This is from Susie Lopez.
Hi, Susie. How are you doing?
Susie's pretty funny because also on the back she wrote, "Also, I'm a broke bitch, please pay my tuition." So, Susie, Bumble and I want to give you a check for $15,000. This is David Blaine. David Blaine is if you mix Steve-O and Harry Potter together.
David's also a professional endurance artist and performer. He was pretty skeptical of my dart throwing capabilities, so he came by the house to see them for himself.
The video with the darts is real?
Yes, 100%.
Prove it.
Okay, you want me to throw it at you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go. Should I try again?
Well, I believe you.
After convincing David that it wasn't some camera trick, I was also curious as to whether or not his stunts were camera tricks.
You said that you're skeptical.
I'm super skeptical. I think everything you do on television is a little bit
Like that I control it.
A little bit fabricated.
That's why I came here.
Okay. Okay.
Now this ice pick, I made it see-through, so you know I'm not cheating. See, so now we're gonna have fun. This is interesting.
I should warn you that this next part gets pretty intense, so if you have a weak stomach, please exit the video now.
And I want you to just pick a place. No, but just walk up. Yeah, just pick a place.
No.
No, because he keeps asking if it's real.
Go in there.
Yeah, go. Push.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
No, I'm about to faint. I'm gonna faint.
Oh my.
Dude.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look, nothing. No blood. Nothing. That's why I wasn't worried.
I think I'm dreaming. Wait.
That was fucking nuts.
Damn, the vlog after this vlog is gonna suck. Welcome to Vlog Squad.
Bro, get the fuck out of here. Guys, David Blaine just left and the power went out.
Bro, that was fucking.
David Blaine's on the side of your house.
David, where the fuck are you?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the fuck is going on?
Wait. Stab me in the fucking arm.
David is David Blaine.
Less conversation, a little more action, please.
The police should be here in 10 minutes, so I have just enough time to get out of here.